Today, we are building a homemade spot welder monster using just a 12-volt battery. This cheap and effective project will save your batteries from soldering issues. First, strip the ends of your thick copper cables. The thicker the cable, the better the current flow and the stronger the weld. I'm using 16 square millimeter cable. Now, connect these cables to a starter solenoid or a heavy-duty relay. This part will deliver that massive current to the electrodes when we pull the trigger. To make the welding pen, sharpen thick copper rods. Mount them on a wooden handle and connect to the cables. Make sure the tips don't touch each other. Here is the schematic. From battery positive to relay, relay to electrode. The other electrode goes directly to negative. Add a trigger switch in between. Test time. Place the nickel strip on the battery, press the electrodes. Short press on the trigger. Snap. Sparks fly and it's welded solid. Our 12V spot welder is ready. Now you can easily build your own battery packs. Be careful, high current is no joke.